Thought I lost him. Come on out there, that's decent fish. Yeah, decent fish. He hit it and was flying back towards the boat. So I couldn't really, I felt the pressure a little bit, but I couldn't catch up with him really. Pretty long fish. All right, let's see what we can do about this right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and just admit it. You know, I don't know if this rod is out of the way. I don't want to interfere. But I've made a really bad mistake. My last video, I talked about the last tournament of the year, straight up fishing tournament. And I don't know what the heck I did. I know I've been working pretty good bit lately. And I did all the requirements to be in the tournament and everything else except for register. I forgot to go in and register for the tournament, and I ended up not being in the tournament. So I've blown my chance of being in the last tournament of the year to make the championship round. So 2025, I'm not gonna qualify. Hey, what else can I say? I don't know. That's a stupid mistake on me. But got this fish right here, pretty bass. I'm gonna go ahead and put him on back in here. Let's get on out there and see if we can catch another one. All right. 6 in the morning now. Okay, got another one. Oh, okay. Found a nice little spot. Got the boat going in reverse though. Get him right. I did not mean to have the boat floating backwards. But that's the second fish of the day. Much smaller than the first one. But that's the second one. All right. Just get back in there. Catching these fish on a drop shot. I'm trying to think what's the name of this. It's not morning dun. Might be killer dun or something like that. I don't know which one of the colors it is. But I've been catching fish off them lately. Man, this thing is all twisted up. That's basically 2 fish back-to-back casts. It's just every time I catch one, I got a little tangled mess in here. Okay, things are going really, really sideways. Caught those first 2 fish on the drop shot, back-to-back cast. Since then, it's not been nothing. I mean, I can't figure out nothing. Throwing a shaky head right now. Not really. Well, I don't have a lot of confidence in it right now. But I got a long little stretch right here. I'm gonna drag it through this little stretch right here. Maybe I can pick up on 1 fish at least. If not, I'm gonna change location one more time. And I may go to throwing, I don't know, throwing the buzz bait again. I don't really know right now. Don't really know what to really fish with right now. I was thinking about like a saucy swimmer or something like that, throwing that, but hadn't tried to get it yet. Hadn't tried to throw one on, tie one on and cast it out there. Yeah, so just see what happens. Got one. Got another little bitty one. Let me hurry up and get him unpinned. He bleeding a little bit. Be still. Let me get you loose. Alright, got this guy right here. Get him out of here. That ain't good there. He's not moving. Ah, man. Hate when that happens. All right. There's the 3rd fish of the day. Not much to talk about, but that is the 3rd one of the day. So, gonna turn things back around. Start back where I caught him at and keep going down this bank right here with this shaky head. See if I can pick up on another one, maybe a bigger one. Oh boy, this is a good one. This is a good one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is a good one. Yeah, this is a good one, y'all. Yeah, this is a good one. Yeah. Let me get my net out. Tie him out. Yeah, that's the best one I've had in a while. It's the best fish I've had in a while. I'm gonna tire him out. Oh my goodness, I done drifted back into this doggone tree. Freak! I hope I don't lose him. I hope I didn't lose him. Oh my God, the one thing I didn't want to do was get hung in this tree. Oh, Did I lose him? Please tell me I didn't lose him. Please tell me I didn't lose him. I think I lost him. I think I lost him. No, I might still have him. I still got him. Got to get him up. This is a good fish. I see him down there. I see you. Come on out of there. He's decent fish. Come on out of there. Yeah. Oh, good. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Man, this is a good fish. This is a real good fish. Hold on. Yeah. This is a good fish. Man, look where I got him, y'all. Hooked in the good part of the mouth. Good. Man, it's the best fish I've caught in a long time. Man, I'm about to pull the scales out for him. Man, that would have been a good fish for the tournament. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Let me... Wow. It's a decent... That's a nice bass. Let me put him in here, y'all, right quick. .38. 4.38. Okay, now let's get a length on him. See exactly how long he is. Would have been a great fish on the tournament, but let me stop talking about it. Let me stop dwelling on it. That ship has sailed. Let's get a length on this bad girl. Well, y'all, that's a 20.25. 20.25. All right. All right, y'all, there go a nearly 5-pounder, 20.25 in length. Nice, healthy looking bass. Really, really nice looking bass. I'm gonna get him back in the water. Let me get my phone right quick and try to do a little something on it for social media. Let's get him back in the water. Beautiful bass. Beautiful bass. Thank you for biting, young guy. Go ahead and get on down here. All right, everybody, that's gonna do it for the day. Like I said, I made a mistake. Didn't register myself on the tournament, so I'm gonna miss out on the tournament plus the championship tournament for 2025. But it's all good. But today was a pretty good day of fishing. I didn't really fish for very long. Just had a few hours just to get out there, but was able to pick up a few fish plus a pretty good one. One, 4.5, close to, somewhere around 4.5 pounds. So it was really good to catch that. You know what I'm saying? So it felt good to catch that real good healthy fish too. My hands smell like fish. I love that. I love that. But with that being said, I appreciate each and every last one of y'all for stopping by, checking out my video and everything else. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll holler at y'all on the next one.